Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of the Modern Garden House build. Today we are starting to install the Techsound. So I've not bored you guys too much by just continuing with the plasterboard where we left off yesterday. We finished those 3 walls and now we're just starting the Techsound. So this stuff is this is the first time I'm using this product, first time I'm installing it. It's fairly easy to work with. It is very heavy. It comes on rolls of about 40 kilograms a roll, and I measured approximately just over 4 meters on a roll, for about 4 meters by 1.2, so about 4 meter length, about 1.2 wide is what you get. And essentially that was 2 strips on our walls, so you're talking about 20 kilograms for 1 strip. So that's how heavy this stuff is. So it's difficult when you're trying to, line it up with the edges to glue it down. So you really do need, I would suggest you've got 3 people doing this, because if you're sticking this to plasterboard, it is very, very tacky, and literally as soon as it touches, that's it. Once it touches that plasterboard, you don't get a chance to reposition it, because as soon as you try to pull it off, it will just rip the paper with it. So it's very, 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 very sticky. So you sort of have one chance to line up your corners and then sort of stick it down. So just some advice for anybody if you are planning to install this. So basically what we did is we focused on the walls. We did the walls first. Once the walls are done, then we're gonna turn our attention onto the ceiling. So obviously our ceilings have got these sort of slopes or diagonals on the back wall, so we just do straight cuts and then we'll fill in the diagonal bits at the top after. Also, I did do some plumbing today as well. I had to do that plumbing first this morning so that we could get the plasterboard on the rear wall as well, where the bathroom is going to be. It was fairly easy to do. Put in some waste pipe, put in some hot and cold water pipes as well, and that's all pretty much ready now for us to go. rain is back just in time for us to finish work. So yeah, guys, we are done for the day. The rain is started falling and it's starting to get dark as well. Summertime is on its way out, so it's going to start getting dark here. So hopefully we can get this done as soon as possible, and then we're going to have to get some lights in here so that we can work. It's going to start getting dark probably by 5 o'clock, probably sometime by next week. But today was a productive day, guys. As you can see, we've done most of the plasterboarding. We just had a little bit of resilient bars we did here, so literally just around sort of the door-ish bits to do. As far as plasterboard is concerned, we've also done a load of this Techsound stuff. This stuff is really hard to work with. It's a three-man job to stick it on because it's very heavy, very thick, stretchy, it's all sorts of stuff. But yeah, we've got most of it on. So we need to finish in the framework around this steel so that we can wrap that part there. And then we need to do this one more strip on the ceiling there. So I reckon one more day on this and we'll have this all sort of ready for the last sheet of plasterboard. One more sheet of plasterboard on it and it's done. So done a few other bits as well, a bit of plumbing. You can see we've got some plumbing pipes here to go in the corner, in the cupboard, sorry. There's going to be a water heater in there, which is going to supply hot water to the taps for the sink, which is going to be here. Hot and cold water's here. This is the waste, which is being chased out, running the wall. See if I can give you guys some light, because it's getting dark in here. This is a lot better. So yeah, and that's our waste there, which comes out there, and it's going into our waste outlet here. We've got the cold water for the cistern, which is going to be one of these, which is basically, it's going to fit on the back wall like this. If I can do it with one hand, something like that. It's going to fit on the back wall like this, and then this will all be boxed in, and then it will have a button on there to turn to close to flush the toilet. Yeah, that's pretty much it really. So as you can see, it's all there, ready to be connected in. There, sink there, shower there. That will come around the back wall and into the back of the shower. So we'll have one light above the shower here. We'll have another light down there in the bathroom. 6 in here. There's going to be a partition wall here. So all this stuff's going to drop in the partition wall. Switches and stuff for the bathroom, all that. An isolator is going to be up the top there for the extract fan, which is going to be above the shower, and it's going to come from the top. Also, we have a pocket door we're going to have here. So pocket door is basically a space-saving door. And what it allows you to do is to not have a swing on the door. So basically, the door will slide into the wall. So there'll be you'll enter here, and there'll be door. It will slide to the left into the wall adjacent to the shower, or the left-hand side wall of the shower. It will slide into that wall, and it will save a bit of space. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's Friday. I'm out. Hope you guys are going to have a great weekend. I wish you all a great weekend. The guys have gone home now as well. So I'm as usual, the last one out. Sorry, should I say? Just doing a little clean up, a little tidy up, a little sweep up, and all that. And I'm shooting off home now. So guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.